Asli garo otonomous district council na sanction karcho. Sanction kartani zamano MDC gimana kan ang lagaran milipa itu dari dispute
was replying to the motion yesterday.
Nishingba sakantikon changsatai Meghalaya News 24 channel daram chaksoa anga chanang aroyan dali koborang. Agalsak gemako World Olympic Day ba International Olympic Day June jani kolgatam tariko manyang tukwaha. Patangaman belsirangode kalanyo gisko nanggapa manderang dengtang kalanirango bako raisa mandirongacham. Ndiba ya changode COVID sajmani asal gepen kalanirangko ongatna manjaha aro ongat kenchimoba chonchonesa ongatangaha. Meghalaya State Olympic Association ba agalsak gemegni ya salko gisik rai manianio bakra pagenchimoba COVID ni donso gemen plak niamrangko jarak pain ba dengtange manyangaha. Manyani abachengani bako wamang Shillong songjemani duty donggepa traffic police rangna chabaksa chanirangko shuale abachengangin ba Shillong songjemani civil hospital na PPE kit rangko oxygen meter rangko aro N95 mask rangko solen ba manyani ko machatataha. Manyani bako Meghalaya State Olympic Association ni acting president mekhang chake kamrangko kain gebarang na Maikoba Association ni geta dakna muksongani rang dongacham ya chanchianyo sa chenga ya chabaksa chanirangko traffic police rang na onna idea na baha. Maina Shillong songjemao cha dokhan rang sajmani asal kulijenga aro anseng baljokani na Shillong ni civil hospital lo kamkha gebarang na bangija kitrangko naha ene parakataha.
Whatever small way that we can in handing over this big part of the COVID solution, just trying to help out. So we brought some few PPE kits and some oximeters to hand over to you. And N95 masks. So these are more commonly
Belsi recasana bapthgepa dalbegepa chubegepa nina namen ni thogepa manderangni mkrona muknapgepa arore pakon ka senjam dakphgepa Pine Tree ba Shillong Cat bolrangko Upper Shillong ni Air Force Campus sambani ko mijal salni bako sorok rangko apal batatna kamrangko kaanyo pangchake denpe tokaha. Manderangni janapanyo ya bolrangan Shillong songjemani mekem rasongwa aro banga adokona songreba geba tourist rang yako nukke namen kusiong toka. Ndake ongen chimoba manderangni duk ongani de ya nina ni togepa aro nuksenggepa aro belsir chabat philgepa bolrangko development ni bimungo dukduksanon nosto kaha ane banga social media rango parakataha. Ya sel ni gemen adokni skotong minister pa Conrad Sangma NHIDCL ko bakbakan bolrangko denani ko dontong China didiataha. Uni jamano PWD Delanyo ACS wa biapoda riange nyani jamano yarangko nosto kajawaha aro dangtap jawaha ane skotong minister uni Twitter geta songdongba manderangna parakatskaha. Ndake ongengon banga manderangan social media ko jakale bolrangara Air Force ni simani bera nangchapesa dongeacham uko development ni bimungo dena mamung dakeba nangijacham neba parakat tokenga. Yan achik rangni agan bewalo agan genchimode machuko machachkmano gohaliko chpamang apsanaha.
Tree felling in Upper Shillong has been on social media, and for this also I would like to just dwell upon this subject. Being a major road project for which 16.107 hectares of forest land is affected, felling of trees is unavoidable. However, care has been taken to ensure that only those standing trees which are considered absolutely necessary are permitted to be felled. The aged Cryptomeria japonica heritage trees along the roadside from Upper Shillong to Banium, adjacent to the Eastern Air Command headquarters, have been shielded except for 8 trees, including 2 diseased standing trees whose felling was absolutely necessary in view of a curve and narrow space for the proposed highway.
Adok sorkari tangka gong hazal geni kaai adok ko sak hazal dok batpele dongpa adok ni asya kham khagabarang na ondap gen ne adok ni health minister pa AL hek parakataha. Yan daawamang ni jabrak ko tangka gong hazal saman gpa incentive rang ni kosako ondap gpa ongen ne minister aganaha. Un baksana adok sorkari asya kham ko khagabarang na janti digitalize kai wamang ni tangkarang ko accounto na watat na muksongiya neba parakataha.
Now they are getting only the incentive from the NHM. Now the state government are going to give them incentive of 2,000 rupees. That is not based on performance. Whether they work or they don't work also, that 2,000 rupees will be given to them every month. And also they are saying they've been delaying to disburse the amount to them. They said that is from the July onward. We will have our software which will start from the Umlink, that is the pilot project. Their salary, honorarium, whatever incentive they're supposed to get, it will go directly to their personal account of the Ashas.
Adok gamako ger chagani khorksku petrol pump dong pauni ge sotbonga chet petrol pump san khajinar ho gam khuenga ne taxation minister James Sangma parakataha. Je petrol pump rangan khajinar ho gam khuje acham wamangna ba changsano matchote gamna de cholko kugen ne ba wa aganaha. Chugumak grchagani khorksku petrol pump oni ko crore bonga point sotsni sasan khajina ho man khuenga aro crore sotbrisku point sotsku khode daona ba man khujengani gman gamkugi jagaba petrol pump rangni khosako nyamni gita rakpar jakurangko gangen neba wa agaranga. South Garo Hills ajani dengtang NGO rang mijal salni bakko adokni skotong minister na Siju Rongara constituency ni MLA Rakam E Sangma ko gronge uni jako snigpa Meghalaya ni battalion ko bakmara ajao donna nanga ne dabyani chitiko naha. Wabang ni parakata ni gitade skang ongangpa adokni home minister kacham sianggpa pa lotsing sangma ajana dokpa battalion ko dabyang hacham. Ndiba rasong gribe e ugo East Garo Hills ajani William Nagaro donna nangaha. Ndake ungen chumoba South Garo Hills ajara damsa gachambat geba district ongan baksana ba batanggemen somairango ajao banganing nikanirangko manahani gemen yano snigpa battalion kode donna nanga ne wamang dabyangaha.
Ya 7 battalion ko South Garo so songna nanga rima demand rangko naha yakon riangpa sni home minister gacham Sri LA sangma sagini demand khangpa 6 battalion ko bia demand khangacham andeba wa demand khanganyo rasong gribi e ko William Nagaro donna gata nangaha andeba gachamgpa district ongani gemen gesa South Garo Hills ya 7 battalion ko mana kha bigpa ongani nakat nakata mangen.
Education Department Embos Baksa Thome Chanchani Jamano Class 12 ni Computer Science, Statistics, Western Music aro Vocational Studies subject rangni dong khwengpa board parikarang ko rajawaha marking rangko nigrke dakai ganok ne Educational Minister Lakman Rimbui prakataha. Je chatro chatrirangan COVID iskuni asal parikarangko serekna manjahacham warangko de July jani genigpa antio ranaba donga ne Meghalaya Board of School Education chanchi manaha.
So we found that 74 candidates of SSLC have missed the exam 1, 2, 3 or 4. I didn't have the number with me, but 34 of them missed the exam completely. This is all over the state. Number 2, regarding the class 12 HSSLC, 92 candidates missed their exam in 1, 2 or 3 subjects, but 15 of them missed the exam completely.
Is jaintia ajani krem uli o koila choya aselonganyo kamkagaba saksani mangisiko manani antisa batploba uni mangisiko daunaba identify kakuja. Darangba uni mangisiko ratnare bakuja ene Home Minister Lakman Rimbui aganaha. Budbar salona kungkungde krem uli koila akolo gumagabani bidungo mamung namgaba koborko mankuja. Mongsonggaba napchakrammoniko rokreke dongba rongrang aro warangko rangkate galna kamrangko kainga. NDRF aro SDRF ni dolrang Budbar salo chini level ko nyani ko dakanyo chini level food sa komyaha aro chirang ko salop doe galani rang ko bari dapatenga neba parakataha.
It's in the midst of we are trying to do all necessary steps to recover the body. So we are trying to do that, and as and when we see that we could not do, then the decision will take at appropriate time, not now.
Adok Sorkari State of Art Diagnosis Center ko na muksongya. Aro ya ko adoko manani Golden Jubilee ko manya ni gita rekani ko matsutatken. Budbar saliba ko adok ni Health Minister AL Hek ya State of Art Diagnosis Center Shillong ni Pasture Institute donggapa ko nirok na yangaha. Ya center ko reka matsutahaude yano ger chasni dengtang dakaba porika ride nyanirang ko dakna mangono. Yako kam kanyo sochet person kamrang matsutaha aro banga machine rang ko ba tekmanaha ane minister parakataha.
Sigpack that Shillong Arts of Performance Arts, that also we are going to complete to celebrate the statehood of Golden Jubilee celebration of our statehood. So today we went for the inspection of the State of Art Diagnostic Center there at Pasteur Institute. The work almost has been completed to almost for 80%, and we are ready now also to function, but we are not going to be function now because of the COVID situation. But we have already installed many machines like the biochemistry, immunochemistry, hematology, and clinical pathology has been installed in that state-of-art diagnostic center. That is the contribution from the Suraksha Salbia Global Salbia.
South Garo Hills Ajani All Garo Hills SSA School Association Bilsi Batgaman Contractual Teacher Rangko Kamo Radapang Kuchina Rongara Constituency ni MLA Rakam A Sangmana Memorandum ko onangaha. Wamang ni memorandum mo janapada ni getade J mangan contractual basis so bilsi hajal gani chigini ba unas khangoni khasoyacham wamang na MTET porika ko sena cholang ko na nanga ne dabiataha.
J mangan contractual teacher hajal gani chigini ba unas khang khasoma na hacham wamang ko tau ya MTET exam na apply ka na gata chol ko china gata ya chitio Sri Rakam A Sangma jen rongara aro shijuni MLA wacham uni japo ya chitio janapa ko singa bini japo na haji japo de bia ya memorandum mo pangchake sini state government no mo chinagata
Dalni kobrang de rangsan nasibang ya kobrang ni gaman nambate aro thalbate masina scan chumode Meghalaya News24.com ni ko pore namangen sakantian samsake dongbo ongkhato de masrang ho kanjungbo unbang sanaba sorkari di don gaman nyamrang ho jarakbo sakanti ko ni swani na mthela